first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the self-service app. You're going to type, you're going to search, and you're going to type in Sphero, S-P-H, and you see it will come up. And you're going to install the second app here, just called Sphero, this one right here. And then you are also going to install the Spark Lightning Labs also. So these two programs are the ones that you should install. Once you've installed those, you'll see them here on the home screen. I have those installed. So the next thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to pair your robot with an iPad. So you're going to go up to the cart. Alright, and you'll see here's all the Spheros. There's 6 of them up on the top, and there are 6 on the bottom. So I am going to go into just the plain Sphero app for the first class, and we are going to connect to a robot. The very first day we are just looking for a robot to drive around. So you can see on the screen here it is searching for a Sphero robot. Okay, now it might have some issues with me recording and doing this, so I'm going to turn off the screen recording now, and you can see, there we go, we're receiving an update, so it is connecting. So we need to wait for, if yours asks for an update, go ahead and do that, or allow it to do that, and just be patient. It won't take very long. You can see we're already 20% done. There's 30%. Now while this is loading here, you can see there the one Sphero ball is lighting up, in this case number 3, and you can see none of the other Spheros are doing that. So obviously this iPad is connected to number 3. Now if this is not your first time connecting and you are unsure which one your iPad is connected to, I'm going to show you how you can verify that very quickly. We're going to do that by adjusting the color of the LEDs, and by the color of the LED you'll know which Sphero you are connected to. Again, it doesn't matter which Sphero you use each class, just as long as you return it back to its proper spot so that they all get returned. Alright, you can see we have 100% updated. Alright, so now we get the play option, so we're going to click on play. Alright, it's going to give us this little preview window. I'm just going to skip this because I've already seen it. Alright, now you can see that this is the only Sphero that I have connected. Okay, but it's going to give you some directions. Make sure you read through these. Again, I know how to use it, so I'm just skipping through these. As far as the color, if this is not your first time connecting and you're not sure, you're going to click on the color palette here, and it's going to give you a bunch of different options. So you can see I just simply slide this around to pick a color, and you can see that as I do that the Sphero changes color. So if I make it bright green, I know that that is my Sphero. I'm going to go back and I'm going to grab this Sphero. And I can now set that Sphero on the ground. The first thing you're going to want to do is click this, and you're going to rotate this around so that the blue little light is pointing towards you. So you see this little blue light is pointing towards me, right, like that. I'm going to release. Now I can simply use the joystick commands to drive this around. There's some different challenges. You can look at all the different features. In your first class, it's just going to be pairing with it and practicing the driving. The driving we'll use when we do the building challenge, but we will not use it for the mazes and programming. So again, your first class is just connecting and driving it around. And that's it.